Next, continuous random variable. Continuous random variable, a random variable x which can take values continuously, that is which take all possible values in given interval, is called continuous random variable. The height, the weight, temperature and time are also continuous random variables. So small f of x is a probability density function for continuous random variable capital X. Then integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Small f of x is the probability density function for continuous random variable capital X. And capital F x of x is the probability distribution function for the continuous random variable. It is defined as fx of x is equal to probability of x is less than or equal to x, and it is integral minus infinity to x fx of x dx. Similarly, you have to find, for example, probability of a is less than or equal to x, and this is integral a to infinity f of x dx. This means, for example, probability of x is greater than or equal to a, this implies integral say a to infinity, both are same, and a is less than x. For example, a is less than x is less than a, x is less than a. This means minus infinity to a f of x dx. For example, probability of a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. This will integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx. These are some properties. And we have to find mean of a random variable or expression of a random variable. Mean formula expression of x, this is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. This is the mean of continuous random variable. Similarly, variance is equal to expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. This is the common formula. Expression of x square is defined as integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx. Integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx, and it is same expression of x whole square. It is standard deviation. We know that standard deviation is the square root of variance. Okay, this is a small problem. If a random variable has the probability density function f of x is equal to k into x square minus 1, minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3, 0 elsewhere. Determine k, probability of 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5 by 2. Very most important problem. So first bit, we know that a small part integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. But our function is defined as 3 intervals. What are these 3 intervals? Minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 3, 3 to infinity. This is the minus 1 to 3 interval. This is elsewhere means minus infinity to minus 1 and 3 to infinity. And this interval can be written as integral minus infinity to minus 1 f of x dx plus integral minus 1 to 3 f of x dx plus integral 1 to 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. 3 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. In this interval, under minus infinity to minus 1 interval, the function is defined as 0. And this is 0 plus integral minus 1 to 3. The function is defined as k into x square minus 1 into dx plus integral 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity defined as 0 is equal to 1. Here k is constant, the integration of x square. The k is constant, the integration of x square is here k is constant. X square integration is x cube by 3 minus 1 integration x. The limits are varies from 1 to 3 is equal to 1. And k into, we can apply the upper limit 3. 3 cube into 27, 27 by 3 into 9, minus 3, minus we can apply the lower limit 1, minus 1 whole cube into minus 1 by 3, minus 2 minus plus 1 is equal to 1. Finally, k into 9 minus 3 into 6, 6 minus 1 into 5, minus 2 minus plus 1 by 3. 6 minus 1, 5, 9 minus 3, 6 is equal to 1. Finally, this is 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3. This is 16 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 3 by 16. K is equal to 3 by 16. Further, we have to find what is the second bit probability of 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5 by 2. And this means integral 1 by 2 to 5 by 2 f of x dx. Clearly, 1 by 2 is in the interval minus 1 to 3. And 5 by 2 means 2.5. This is also in this interval. So clearly, in this interval, the function is defined as 1 by 2 to 5 by 2. The function is defined as k into x square minus 1 dx. Here k is constant. The integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus integration of 1 is x. The limits are varies from 1 by 2 to 5 by 2. And k means what is k? 13 by 6, 3 by 16 into 5 by 2 whole cube. 5 by 2 whole cube means 5 cube at 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. By 2 cube at 8, 8 3s are 24. 125 by 24 minus 5 by 2 minus we can apply the lower limit 1 by 2 whole cube and 1 by 8, 1 by 8 into 3 into 1 by 24 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Finally, this is 3 by 16 into 24 is LCM clearly 24 in the one time and 125 minus 2 in the 12 times 12 5s are 60 minus 24 in the one time 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 in the 12 times. Finally, this is equal to 3 by 16 into 125 minus 60 minus 1 plus 12 and 125 plus 12 137 125 plus 12 137 minus 60 minus 1 minus 61 subtract just 6 7 76 okay 76 by 24 76 by 24 4 is cancelled in the 6 times in the 90 times and 3 cancel in the 2 times finally 19 by 32 19 by 32. Another problem, if f of x is equal to 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3 for 2 is less than x is less than 4 is represents the density function of a random variable x. ఇది డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుందా లేదా అని అడిగారు. క్యాల్కులేట్ ద మీన్ అండ్ వేరియన్స్. ఫస్ట్ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుందా లేదో చూడాలి. డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ని క్యాల్కులేట్ చేద్దాం. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైన్డ్ ఇన్ 3 ఇంటర్వెల్స్ 0 to 2 ఒక ఇంటర్వెల్, 2 to 4 ఒక ఇంటర్వెల్, 4 to infinity ఒక ఇంటర్వెల్. And the function is defined as minus infinity to 2 f of x dx plus integral 2 to 4 f of x dx plus integral 4 to infinity f of x dx. The remaining variable the function is defined as 0. In this interval the function is defined as 0. Only 2 to 4 would be the integral 2 to 4 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3 dx. The remaining variable the function is defined as 0. Here 1 by 18 is constant, 2 constant. The integration of x is x square by 2 plus 3 into x. The limits are varies from 2 to 4. The limits are varies from 2 to 4. If 2 to cancel, we can apply the upper limit to 4. 4 square into 16 plus 3 4s are 12 minus we can apply the lower limit to 2 square into 4 plus 3 2s are 6. This is equal to 1 by 18 into 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. 4 plus 6 is 10. 28 minus 10 is 18. 18 by 18 is equal to 1. 18 by 18 is equal to 1. This is the, therefore, conclusion therefore, f of x is density function. Is density function of x. F of x is density function of x. Further we have to find mean again. What is the mean? Mean ante expectation of x. Expectation of x and ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం మనం మీన్ ఫార్ములా. ఒకవేళ అయితే కనుక మీన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. మీన్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ x into f of x dx. But our function defined in three intervals, and this is equal to integral minus infinity to 2 x into f of x dx plus integral 2 to 4 x into f of x dx plus integral 4 to infinity x into f of x dx. That is, and this is equal to, in this interval the function is defined as 0. Minus 2 to minus infinity to 2 interval, the function is defined as 0. 2 to 4 interval, the function is defined as integral 2 to 4 x into what is f of x? 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3 dx. The remaining interval, the function is defined as 0. Here 1 by 18 is constant, integral 2 to 4 2x square plus 3x. X is multiple guess. And 1 by 18 is constant, 2 constant here, x square integration x cube by 3. Plus 3 constant x integration x square by 2. The limits are varies from 2 to 4. You can apply the upper limit to 4. You can apply the upper limit to 4. 1 by 18 into. You can apply the upper limit to 4. 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Into 2. 128 by 3. 128 3 plus 128 by 3 plus 4 square into 16. 16 by 28. 8 3s are 24. This is upper limit. Minus you can apply the lower limit to 2. You can apply the lower limit to 2 cube by 8. 8 to 2s are 16 by 3. 16 by 3 plus 2 square into 4. 4 by 22. 3 2s are 6. 6. And this implies 1 by 18 into 128 by 3 minus 16 by 3. 128 minus 16, 128 minus 16, 112, 112 by 3 plus 24 minus 6 and 18. Finally, this is equal to 1 by 18 into 3 LCM, 112 plus 3 18s are 54. 3 18s are 54. So this is 3.074 క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయండి వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వేరియన్స్. Variance is equal to sigma square is equal to expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. Expression of x square is defined as integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx. Expression of x is 3.0741 whole square, and this is same in the minus infinity to 2 plus 2 to 4 plus 4 to infinity f of x dx minus 3.0741 whole square. Minus infinity to the interval, in the interval the function is defined as 0, and 4 to infinity the function is also defined as 0, and this is equal to integral 2 to 4 x square into what is f of x? 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3 dx minus 3.0741 whole square into 9.4499. 9.4499. Next, here 1 by 18 is constant. Integral 2 to 4, 2x cube plus 3x square dx. 2x cube plus 3x square dx minus 9.4499. Minus 9.4499. Next, 1 by 18 is constant. Integrate 2 constant x cube integration x power 4 by 4 plus 3 constant x square integration x cube by 3. The limits are varies from 2 to 4. The limits are varies from 2 to 4. 1 by 18 into 4 for 4. 4 for 4 means 4 square into 16. 256 divided by 4 into 64. 64 into 2 into 128. Plus 3 3 cancel. 4 cube అంటే 64, 4 cube అంటే 64 minus 2 power 4 అంటే 16, 16 by 4 అంటే 4, 4 2 are 8 plus 2 cube అంటే 8. Finally this is equal to minus 9.4499 minus 9.4499 and 128 plus 64 minus 16 divided by 18 is equal to 9.7778 minus 9.4499 minus 9.4499 is equal to 0.3279. This is sigma square. Okay, standard deviation again. Standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma square, and square root of 0.3279 and square root of 0.5726. Next problem. Let x be the random variable having the density function f of x is equal to cx. 0 is less than or equal x is less than or equal to 0 otherwise. Compute the constant c and the probability of 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 5 by 2. Probability of x is greater than 1 and mean 4 values are given. First calculate. So first then calculate because we know that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. మన ఫంక్షన్ ఓన్లీ ఏ ఇంటర్వల్ డిఫైన్ అవుతుంది 0 to 2 ఇంటర్వల్ మాత్రమే డిఫైన్ అవుతుంది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 1. Remaining interval the function is defined as 0. In the integral 0 to 2 the function, what is the function cx into dx is equal to 1. Here c constant, the integration of x is x square by 2. The limits are varies from 0 to 2. That is c into 2 square into 4, 4 by 22 minus 0 is equal to 1. And therefore c is equal to 1 by 2. This is finished. This is first one. Next second one. What is the second one? Probability of 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 5 by 2. And it is defined as integral 1 by 2 to 5 by 2 f of x dx. And this is 1 by 2, the function is defined as only 0 to 1 by 2 also in the interval and 5 by 2 is not there. And it can be written as integral 1 by 2 to 2 f of x dx. The remaining interval the function is defined as 0 only up to 2. So this is equal to integral 1 by 2 to 2. What is f of x? Cx dx. C constant, the integration of x is x square by 2. The limits are varies from 1 by 2 to 2. What is c? C means 1 by 2. We can apply the upper limit to 2 square into 4, 4 by 22 minus 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 4, 1 by 8. You can apply the upper limit to 2 square into 4, 4 by 2 into 2. Lower limit to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square and 1 by 4 by 2 into 1 by 8. And this is equal to 1 by 2 into LCM is 8 2s are 16 minus 1. And this is 15 by 16. This is second bit. Next, the third bit. What is third one? Probability of x greater than 1. And this means integral 1 to infinity f of x dx. This means integral 1 to infinity f of x dx. Integral 1 to 2 f of x dx. Because the function defined only 0 to 2. So the remaining interval is 0. So integral 1 to 2. What is f of x here? Cx. C constant. The integration of x is x square by 2. The limits are varies from 1 to 2. We can apply the upper limit to 2 square. 2 square by 20, 2 square into 4, 4 by 22. Minus you can apply the lower limit to 1 by 2. C means what is C? C is equal to 15 by, C is 1 by 2 because C is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 and 3 by 2. Finally this is equal to 3 by 4. Next, fourth bit we have to find mean. What is the definition of mean? That is exponential of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. But our function defined only 0 to 2. The function is defined only 0 to 2 and integral 0 to 2 x into f of x dx. The remaining variables the function is as 0 and integral 0 to 2 x into what is f of x? C cx dx, and integral c into integral 0 to 2 x square dx, and c into the integration of x square means x cube by 3. The limits are varies from 0 to 2. What is c? C means 1 by 2. You can apply upper limit to 2 cube by 8, 8 by 3, 8 by 3 minus 0. Finally, this is 4 by 3. 2 in the 4 times 4 by 3. Further, we have to find, in case we have to find variance. What is the variance? Variance of x is equal to sigma square is equal to expression of x square minus expression of x whole square. And the sigma square is equal to expression of x square integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx minus this is 4 by 3 whole square. And this is equal to integral 0 to 2 x square into cx dx minus 16 by 9. And c constant, okay, c constant x square into x and x cube into x power 4 by 4. The limits are varies from 0 to 2 minus 16 by 9. And the c and 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. You can apply upper limit to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 by 4 minus 0 minus 16 by 9. This is the 4 times. 4 by 22. 2 minus 16 by 9. LCM is 9. 9 square and 9 2s are 18. Minus 16. This is 2 by 9. This is sigma square. Further, we have to find standard deviation sigma also. So, a continuous random variable x has the probability density function f of x is equal to 3x square. 0 is less than x is less than 1. Only the function is defined in 0 to 1. The remaining interval, the function is defined as 0. Find a and b such that probability of x is less than a is equal to probability of x is greater than a. And probability of x is greater than b is equal to 0.05. First bit charge. What is first condition? Probability of x is less than or equal to a is equal to probability of x is greater than b. But we know that a small logic, probability of x greater than a is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to a. This is the result of starting లో చెప్పండి. Probability density function properties చెప్పిన చెప్పుకున్నాము. So, a property ప్రకారం it can be written as probability of x is less than or equal to a can be written as, in this place we can write 1 minus probability of x is less than or equal to a. ఇది left side తీసుకొస్తే 2 into probability of x is less than or equal to a, and this minus term left side వస్తే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. Probability of x is less than or equal to a plus probability of x is less than or equal to a అంటే 2 into probability of x is less than or equal to a is equal to 1. Okay? అంటే 2 రైట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఈ 2 రైట్ సైడ్ దీని డెఫినేషన్ అప్లై చేయండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్? ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు a f of x dx is equal to 1 by 2. But the function is defined only the interval 0 to 1 and integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. The remaining interval the function is defined as 0. What is this? What is the function in this interval? 3x square dx is equal to 1 by 2. So only a. If possible, if 0 is less than or equal to a is less than or equal to 1, a అనేది interval ఉందని చెప్పేసి. Today on the 3 constant x square integration x cube by 3, the limits are varies from 0 to a is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can apply the upper limit. If 3 cancel, you can upper limit a cube minus 0 is equal to 1 by 2, and a cube is equal to 1 by 2. And this means a cube is equal to 1 by 2 means a is equal to cube root of 1 by 2. A is equal to cube root of 1 by 2. Cube root of 1 by 2 means 1 divided by cube root of 2 is equal to 0. This is a is equal to 0.7937. This is the interval 0 to 1. Similarly, second one. What is the second point? What is the second point? Probability of x greater than b is equal to 0.05. Probability of x greater than b means integral b to infinity f of x dx. b to infinity f of x 0.05. And b to infinity means it can be b to 1 f of x dx. If, what is the condition here? If 0 is less than b is less than or equal to 1. What is f of x in this interval? b to 1, 3x square dx is equal to 0.05. 3 constant x square minus x cube by 3. The limits are varies from b to 1 is equal to 0.05. 3 cancel, we can apply the upper limit 1 minus b cube is equal to 0.05. And 0.05 becomes 1 minus 0.05 is equal to b cube. And then b cube is equal to 0.95. And the b is equal to cube root of 0.95. And the b is equal to, what is the cube root of 0.95? Cube root of 0.95. This is 0.9830. That's all.